Ignition coils are the unsung heroes of the ignition system. They're responsible for converting the low-voltage electricity within a vehicle's battery and transforming it into thousands of volts required to jump the spark plug gap and ignite the engine's air-fuel mixture. Technological advancements led to the development of different types of ignition coils, which include distributor coils, distributor-less coils, rail coils, coil-on-plug coils, and pencil coils. Common failures include corrosion and lack of maintenance. That's because worn secondary ignition components such as spark plugs or wires can cause a coil to work harder, require more voltage, and significantly reduce the operating life of the coil. Common symptoms of failure include check engine light illumination, the engine running rough, particularly when accelerating, and in some cases, the vehicle may not even start and run. Carquest Vehicle Solutions ignition coils provide OE fit, form, and function, ensure fast starts, consistent performance, optimized fuel efficiency, and a long service life. Here's how. Automated precision winding machines ensure our windings are continuous, free from breaks and internal shorts, which provides a long service life. High dielectric strength epoxy is used to insulate the coil windings and electrical circuitry, while also blocking contaminants and air from reaching the internal components. Our coils use high-grade silicone rubber coil boots where applicable so that moisture can't get between the coil boot and spark plug connection. To deliver optimal performance and long life, our coils are subjected to a variety of electrical, thermal shock, corrosion, and vibration tests. By testing above and beyond what they would experience on a vehicle, we ensure that the windings, epoxy, plastics, and other components of our coils can more than handle the extreme temperatures, vibration, and harsh environments a vehicle sees. As a complete engine management line that's committed to design, engineering, manufacturing, and testing, Carquest Vehicle Solutions is your trusted source for quality parts.